Welcome to your e-learning grade level site directory. I want to just walk you through how you're going to use this. But first, I just want you to think of this as your home base for where you can find your link to your teacher page during our e-learning temporary closure. So along the bottom of the spreadsheet, you will notice that there's a tab for every school. And if you don't see your tab, you want to click on the scroll right or scroll left until you find the tab that you need. For the purpose of this video, I created Demo School, and I am a third grade teacher at Demo School, so I'm going to slide over and see where is third grade and find my name. So I am faculty member 3, and the link to my site is included on this row in the yellow box. So I'm going to click on the link, and there's a little pop-up. Click on that, and that is going to route me to another tab, which will bring me to my teacher site. More on that. Don't forget, your